आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Points E and F cut sides BC and CD of the rectangle respectively, such that EC equal to 3, FC equal to 4 and AD equal to 12, and the area of the crossed and the shaded regions in the figure are equal. Which of the following equals the perimeter of rectangle ABCD? Okay, now this is the figure that has been given to us in the question. It contains the rectangle ABCD. The dimensions of the sides that are mentioned in the question are also given in the figure, and as per the question we have a shaded region and a crossed region. Okay, now the options are option 1 42, option 2 50, option 3 56, or option 4 64. Okay, so first of all, let us write down the lengths of the sides that have been given to us in the question. Okay, so starting off, first of all, it has been said that AD is equal to 12. Okay, it has been said that AD, the length of the side AD of the rectangle, is equal to 12. Also, FC equal to 4. It has been said that FC is 4 and the length of EC is 3. Okay, the length of EC is equal to 3. Now, going back to the question, in the question it has been mentioned that the area of the crossed and the shaded regions in the figure are equal. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to try and find the areas of these two regions, which are the crossed region and the shaded region. Now, if we consider the crossed region, that is this region, okay, the region starting from point A going to point F, from point F to point C and then back to point A, this region, if we observe, is a triangle. It is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and hence the area of this crossed region, that is the area of this triangle, will be given by the formula half into base into height. Okay, now for this obtuse angle triangle, the base is FC. Okay, this is the base, whereas the height is the distance of the topmost vertex of the triangle from the base. Okay, that is AD. Okay, for this triangle AFC, FC is the base whereas AD is the height. Hence the area of the crossed region, that is triangle AFC, can be written as half into FC into AD. Okay, so we can write that the area of the crossed region given to us in the figure is half into FC into AD. Okay, again going back to the figure and observing the crossed region this time, which is this region, we can observe that this region again is a triangle, again an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, hence the area of this crossed region will be given by the formula half into base into height. Now for this triangle AEC, which is the shaded region, the base is EC. Okay, EC is the base of the triangle, whereas the height of the triangle again is the distance of the topmost vertex from the base, which will be AB. Okay, because that is the distance of point A from the base of the triangle, that is EC. So the area of the triangle, that is the shaded region, will be half into EC into AB. Okay, so we can write down that the area of the shaded region that has been given in the figure is half into EC into AB. Okay. Now, as per the question, these two areas should be equal. Okay. It has been mentioned in the question that the areas of the shaded region and the crossed region are equal, and since we have found that the area of the crossed region is this, whereas the area of the shaded region is this, we can equate these two. Okay, so we can write that half into FC into AD, which is the area of the crossed region, is equal to half into EC into AB, which is the area of the shaded region. Okay, now in this equation we can observe that half obviously cancels out, and the numeric values of the lengths of FC, AD and EC have been given to us in the question. Okay, so substituting these values we can find out the value of AB. Okay, so writing down, in place of FC we can write 4, hence 4 into AD has been given to be equal to 12, hence 4 into 12 equal to, it has been said that EC equal to 3, hence 3 into, the value of AB has not been given in the question, hence from this equation we can calculate the value of AB. So AB can be written to be equal to, we have 4 into 12, that is 48, and divided by 3. Now 48 divided by 3 is 16. So we can conclude that the length of the side AB of the rectangle is 16. Okay, we have found that AB equal to 16, and hence we can conclude that the length of this side of the rectangle, that is AB, is 16. Now in the question we have been asked to find the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. Okay, now the perimeter of this rectangle will be given by 2 into AB plus AD. Okay, that is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, 2 times the sum of the length and width. So the perimeter of this rectangle will be given by 2 into AB plus AD. Okay, so the required answer will be 2 into AB plus AD. Now this can be written equal to 2 into AB is 16, hence 16 plus the length of the side AD was already given, which is 12, hence 2 into 16 plus 12, which is 2 into the sum of 16 and 12 is 28, hence 2 into 28, and 2 into 28 is 56. Okay, so we have found that the perimeter of the rectangle given to us in the question is 56, hence the correct answer is 56. And going through the options, we can see that option number 3 is the correct option.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।